Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles for cats. These delightful frozen treats are a fantastic way to keep your feline friend hydrated, especially during warmer months. They provide essential moisture and can even offer a fun, cooling sensation. Plus, it's a wonderful opportunity to give your cat a special, homemade snack that's both tasty and beneficial for their overall well-being. Let's get started. Creating these cat popsicles is incredibly simple, requiring just a few safe ingredients. You can start with plain, unsweetened meat baby food, ensuring it contains no onion or garlic. Another excellent option is to blend cooked, unseasoned chicken or fish until smooth. Then, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or low-sodium chicken broth to achieve a pourable consistency. It's all about keeping it simple and cat-friendly. Now for the fun part, preparation. First, thoroughly mix your chosen ingredients in a small bowl until well combined. Next, carefully pour the mixture into small ice cube trays or fun silicone molds. These smaller sizes are perfect for your cat's portion control. Finally, place the molds in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until they are completely solid. It's that easy to create a refreshing treat. When serving, offer your cat 1 or 2 small popsicles at a time. Always supervise them to ensure they enjoy their treat safely. For storage, any leftover popsicles can be kept in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. This ensures you always have a cool, hydrating snack ready for your furry friend. Enjoy making these delightful treats for your beloved cat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.